Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is Confusing Twist number 4. It's a co-design by Dmitry and myself, and it's yet another one of those confusing twist puzzles where we have gears at the backside. And you may remember Confusing Twist number 1, which had the skips at some point. We wanted to prevent that. Well, we had several iterations of the puzzle, and finally I came up with this gear set that had all the properties that we want. And let me just show you the operation of the gears like this, and you can see that there's acceleration and deceleration, and that they have a gearing ratio that varies wildly. So this is something that we can see here at the backside as well. You can see that sometimes the one gear goes very fast and sometimes it goes slowly, but it works well. And as with the other confusing twist, the middle rotor turns by itself. And now let's turn this thing. So we have now A, and when we keep turning, we have E and E that goes, and then we have another few skips, and we get C opposite C. So and now we get a 1-to-1 ratio because immediately B and B go, but now we skip 1, and here we have F opposite F, D opposite D, and then finally, after a lot of rotation, A opposite A, which means that all of the parts are interacting, and there are no skips in the sense that everything can get scrambled. So this is, as I already mentioned, Confusing Twist number 4. I think the final one from the series where we have these interesting gears, and we finally have found a puzzle application for those gears. And my question to you is, what other puzzle applications can we find for this type of funny gears? Thank you for watching.